When you first go into Titlewave, one thing that I love is there are so many different things to see, like articles, or maybe it's lists that they have put together. I can see on here like books that are new, or recommended things. I can see like the ALA awards have just been announced. The other thing that I love is I can look then at a lot of different book reviews that it will show me what I said if it was 3 reviews and who I want, those review sources to be. And so that is really a handy tool too. Another thing is under the For the Library, I can look at the top sellers. And I love this because I love seeing like what other people are purchasing and putting in their library and those new and popular series. And this is really great because when I go into that, I can even shop like the next book in a series. If I want to shop popular series or new series, I can see those things too, just right under that new and popular series area.